Dear 4th class students, very good morning. This is M. Shekhar sir. Today class, Austrasian Volume 1, Mathematics course books. Okay, I will show the page number, just wait. So your page number 42. So here chocolate questions is over. So Saranya had 24 chocolates. She distributed chocolate to her friends. 6 friends are there. How many chocolates get each one friend? So already we discussed about the chocolate question. Now see here. Already we discussed what about this one. Now see here. It is divisor. This one is dividend. This one is quotient, and this one is a remainder. Divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder. So we have one formula. It is very important about what is that one, division. Now see, it has to be understood that a number when divided may or may not leaves a remainder depending on this number it is divided with. This can be easily understood by the following rule. సో మనకి ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఈ డివిజన్ని మనం అర్థం చేసుకోవడానికి మనం ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి ఒక రూల్ ఉంది. నౌ సీ హియర్, ఏ 6 ఈజ్ డివైజర్. And 4 is quotient. This side is a quotient. And 25 is their first number. It is a dividend. And it is a remainder. Now see here one formula, very important formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. One of the important one. It is also 10th class is there now. 10th class syllabus lo present ఇది ఉంది. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. From this one example, one see here, what is your dividend? Dividend means 25. Okay, 25 is equal to, what is your divisor? 6 into quotient means 4 plus what is your remainder? 1. Dividend is 25, divisor is 6 into quotient is 4 plus remainder is 1 from above this division. Now see here, 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. So here right hand side 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. Here right hand side 25, left hand side also 25. Here both the left hand side and right hand side both are same. It is equal to dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This formula. Okay, now see here. What I said here, done that one only. And divisor, 4 is quotient, 25 is dividend, and 1 is remainder. Okay, so don't forget this one. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, don't remember once. It is a 8 marks question. Now come to page number 43. So see here. Here 548 is multiplied divided by 34. 548 ni 34 తో మనం multiply division చేయాలి. So we don't know 34 the table, that's why I write here 34 table. 1 34s are 34, 2 34s are 68, 3 34s are 3 4s are 12, 1 there, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 3 4s are 12, 1 there, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. And 4 34s are 16, 12, 136, and 5 34s are, what is the 5 34s? 170. and 6 34s are 204. Okay, up to here over. So here 34 is there, that's why we have to write here 34 table. Okay, now see here. So enough up to here. Here 548 is divided by 34. So what is your first number? 5. So not 5 cancel in 34. So that's why we have to take another number 54. So 54, in the 54, 34 table how many times cancel? Now come to here 34 table. 134 is a 34, 234 is a 68. So here 68, here 34. In these two numbers between here 54 is there. Which one we want here? 234 or 134? 234 68, but here 54 is there. It is more than 68 is more than 54. Okay, so we have to take only one time. 134 are 134 are 34, 134 are 34. 4 minus 4 0, 5 minus 3 2. So here 20 came. So 20 is divisible in 34, not divisible. So 20 not divisible in 34. That's why we have to take here 8. Now what is the answer? 208. So 208, how many times cancel 34 now? Okay, now see here, what is your answer? 208. 134 is a 34, 234 is a 68, 334 are 102, 434 are 136, 534 are 170, 634 are 204, and 734 are 238. Okay, what is your answer? 208. Here 238. So it is more than. So 208 is it is nearly value. What is the nearly? 204. How many times cancel? 6 times. 634 are 204. So right here 6. So it is a 204. So we subtract. 8 minus 4 4, 0 minus 0 0, 2 minus 2 0. Okay. So what is your dividend? What is your dividend? 548. What is your divide? 34. What is your quotient? 16. What is your remainder? 4. It is a dividend. It is a quotient. It is a divisor. It is a remainder. Okay, so here 34 in the 548, how many times cancel? 16 times. 16 34s are 244. Sorry, 544. See here 34 into 16. 6 4s are 24. 6 3s are 18 plus 2, 21. And 1 4s are 4. 1 3s are 3. 4 5, sorry 5, this is also 5. What is here came? So wrong answer. One see here 554. 34 16 sir. Wait 6 4s are 24, 6 3s are 18, 19 20. This one is 20. It is 4. Okay, 13 16s are 544. Here remainder 1. So here 548, 34, 16 times cancel. Here 4 is remaining. Now see here, let us apply division rule and check. I will send in the next video. So we got this one. So here, see here, take first two digits from the left side and divide. Bring down the next digit. Again divide with the suitable number and write in the quotients. Already I explained each one step, this one step only. So it is verification. It means one verification is there. Dividend is equal division into quotient plus remainder. We also here applied for this question. Just wait, I will send a second video. First we have to write this one. Okay, dear fourth class students, here 548 is divided by 34. So in the 548, 34, 16 times cancel remaining 4. We have to apply here this one rule. It means dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Already I wrote here. Here 34 is a divisor, 16 is quotient, and 548 dividend. We have to take here what is the last value 4. It is a remaining. What is the last? It means left value 4. That one is a remainder. Left or remainder both are same. Let us apply division rule and check. Let and apply division rule. Check. Mano division rule. What is this one name? Division rule. See this one. What is that name? Here, see here. Division rule. Okay. Don't forget, it is a division rule important. Okay, we have to apply this one division rule. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So keep box for this one formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus what is your dividend? 548. So 548 it is a left hand side. The right hand side divisor. What is your divisor? 34 into quotient 16 plus remainder 4. So divide 34, quotient 16, dividend 548 and a remainder 4. What is the dividend of 548 is equal to divisor means 34 into quotient means 16 and plus a remainder means we have to keep here plus a remainder this one. So 34 into 16 already I done here 34 into 16, 6 4s are 24, here 2 is remaining, 6 3s are 18 plus 2, 20, 1 4s are 4, 1 3s are 3. So 4, 4, here 5. What is the 34 16s are? 16 34s are 544 plus 4. What is here 4? Here remaining 4. We have to add here 544, 548. Dividend this one. Left hand side, right hand side same. Up to right here. No problem. So what is today class only? It is division. So please note this one in your notebook. Okay. Write this one and this one. And the second question, this one up to right here. Okay. So it is what is this one rule? Division rule. So now take another example. See here 1256 divided by 48. So I will explain this video in next class. So division already I told number of times. Division means repeated subtraction. Here 54 minus 34, 20, 208 minus 204. It is a repeated subtraction. Okay. We have any doubt? Once we call 833 288 1719. I will explain each one question. You call morning 9 to evening 6. Don't call before 9 morning and after 6 at evening. Okay. So it is a second book for our class. Maybe I think it is 10 or 15 days completed this one. I will go to after this book. Third book is remaining. So we have any problem in the first book and the second book. We didn't understand any topic or didn't read any lessons. Once you call me, I will explain. Okay. మీకు అర్థమవుతుందో ఒకవేళ నేను చెప్పినటువంటి ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పినటువంటి బుక్ కానీ ఈ బుక్లో కానీ మీకు ఏమైనా అర్థం కానీ ఏమైనా రాయలేకపోయినా అర్థం కాకపోయినా వీడియో సరిగ్గా రాయిపోయినా అంటే వాయిస్ సరిగ్గా లేకపోయినా ఒకసారి నాకు ఫోన్ చేస్తే నేను మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇస్తాను. ఓకేనా? డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ అండ్ డోంట్ వేస్ట్ యువర్ టైం. వీ హ్యావ్ టు write notes and I will daily keeping your videos డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్. టైం వేస్ట్ చేయకోకుండా నేను రోజు పెడతానికి ట్రై చేస్తాను, పెడుతూ ఉంటాను. మీరు రాస్తూ ఉండండి. ఓకే, మీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్ వస్తే వెంటనే నాకు ఫోన్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ.